Good morning. I wanted to show off my potatoes. As you can see, they have gotten super tall. They literally are almost to my waist. Yes, I am short, but still, they've grown really well. And these are the Yukon Gold potatoes. And they've started to bloom, which means I have little potatoes setting on. I have two really long rows of potatoes, and we put the landscape fabric down as a weed barrier to help control some of the weeds. Those have either fallen over from weight or gotten knocked over. My guess is knocked over because there's 3 or 4 of them like that down through here. But there's hardly any weeds whatsoever. And I sure hope that those potatoes live long enough that's been knocked down to produce. Because if you've ever planted a garden before, honestly, it is not the easiest thing in the world to get accomplished. It's hot, hard, back-breaking work. My guess is where we have so many deer, there have been deer running through here. Okay, those were my Yukon Golds from here all the way up through there. Okay, I also planted the Pontiac red potatoes, and they have a different leaf and a different color bloom, and they are a much smaller plant than what the Yukon Golds are. We planted 100 pounds of Yukon Golds and planted 10 pounds of the red potatoes. I honestly wanted to see what would grow better in our area. We won't know that until we actually start to harvest. But I'm very pleased with how these potatoes look.